This is Project Fortuna, a 1972 custom Series 3 built to our client's exact specification. Fortuna is painted in a two-tone full-gloss Tuscan blue and Cornish cream colour. Fortuna sits on OEM 16-inch steel wheels in Cornish cream with BFG rugged trail tyres. This Series 3 features an OEM Series 3 front grille with classic front bumper in a chrome finish. We've restored the original floating roof and finished in Cornish cream. Inside, Fortuna features an Evander classic wooden steering wheel with vintage series gauges, 3 OEM front seats and 4 jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a vertical Garrett, Resilience topaz leather stitched together in beige. Fortuna is powered by our GM LS3 6.2 litre 430 horsepower engine with 6-speed manual transmission. This Series 3 also features some modern elements such as Sony Classic Series stereo, an under-dash AC unit and access to a USB connection.